Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to hide app in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen. And here at the bottom you can see settings option. Then just tap on settings and then scroll down a bit. Then go to hide apps on home and app screen. Now from here you can hide app from your home and app screen. And you can hide any app as you want. Suppose if you want to hide Facebook, just find Facebook and then select it, then tap on done and it's done. Now just go to your app screen and you can see Facebook is hidden from app and home screen. You cannot find it here. Now if you want to unhide Facebook, just tap on three dots, then tap on settings. From here go to hide apps on home and app screen again. Now from here you can hide or unhide any app. Now from here to unhide any app, just tap on this minus icon and then tap on done, then go to app screen and here it is. You can see Facebook is removed from hidden app list. And that is how you can hide app in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.